Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change notification sound in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. First of all, go to the settings of your phone. Go to settings. Then go to sound and vibration. Sounds and vibration and click on notification sound and here select any tone. Select any tone, okay, and this tone will be the ringtone now. Okay, this tone jilter will be the notification sound. Okay, then click on sum 2 and similarly select any tone here. Okay, I select this lucid and yes, notification sound has been changed to what I have selected. In this way you can easily change notification sound in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.